From basil and rosemary to sage and mints, learn how these kitchen staples add flavor and wellness benefits. Herbs and their uses, a guide to kitchen staples. Sage, earthy and slightly peppery flavor. It's frequently used to flavor fatty meats and pulled RY. Oregano, earthy and robust, dried oregano is a staple in Italian, Greek, and Latin cuisines. Doubles as an herbal tea in some regions. Rosemary, fragrant and piney, ideal with roasted meats, potatoes, vegetables, rice, and stews. Stevia, a natural, zero-calorie solution to refined sugar. May help lower blood pressure, reduce cavities, and support better blood sugar control. Spearmint, digestive aid for bloating, indigestion, or nausea, also effective for tension headaches and freshening breath. Lemongrass, detoxifying, calming, aids digestion with mild antibacterial effects. Lemon balm, calming, reduces stress, anxiety, and supports cognitive clarity, mildly antiviral and aids digestion. Catmint/catnip, steep fresh or dried leaves and flowers in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes to make a calming tea. Lemon verbena, adds bright lemony flavor to teas, salads, beverages, and desserts. Lavender is a versatile herb with uses, including aromatherapy, culinary applications, skin care, and natural remedies. It's known for its calming properties and is commonly used to promote relaxation. How to brew herbal tea. 1. Choose quality herbs. 2. Measure 1-2 teaspoons for dried leaves or 4 to 8 fresh leaves. 3. Use clean water. 4. Steep for 5 minutes. 6. Strain and serve. Don't oversteep delicate herbs. Enhance flavor with lemon slices. Share your favorite herb, what we left out, so we can engage more on it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more plant tips.